Okay, I just want to do a small tutorial on this song. It's Ambani Ramaru's song, Chizichamurana Chofreya. The song is played at the key of, what key is this? F sharp, G, G sharp, A. He's played the key of A. Okay, so the bassist here is it's Manu Simeri. So this is your one, this is your 1 octave, this is your 4, this is your 5. So basically what the song is doing is going Chirizi Chamorena, yes, 4, 5, 1. It's revolving between 1, 4 and 5. But then when you're on 1, you're gonna go. Okay, this is your 3. That's all you do, but it's just that you're doing it a little bit faster than I'm doing it now. Then you go. Sorry. Okay. I'll tell you where you do that. This is your 1, this is your 1, then this is your 1. It means this is your 5 and 1. This here is your 5. On top is your 5 and your 1. So you slide all the way down, all the strings. You pull all of them together. Then you carry on with the song. Then there's this thing that it does. Okay? It's 1, 1. 5, 5, 1, 1, 3, and then he plays this note as well here. It's 1. It's 1. You jump 2 strings, these 2 strings here, and then you go to your 1, and then it will give you this sound.